Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It has been a minute since we've done like a normal vlog and a road trip type video, but it is one of our friend his last couple weeks in America. He is a Japanese guy who is moving back to his home country. He's done with school out here, so we're doing one last day trip with all the boys. We're getting a little Airbnb cabin set up north. We're just gonna have some fun. So let's go get some breakfast, meet up with everybody. We'll see you on the road. You're already in vacation mode.
Yeah.
Got the little palm tree shirt.
Honestly, like I'm trying to get in the mindset so that I can have the most enjoyable time. So you know what, I figure just throw on my Tommy Bahama shirt and just relax today.
Special guest appearance.
Yeah, man.
We're gonna get breakfast right. This is just a meat spot.
Right at 6:30 in the morning.
You're lucky you don't have a sandwich, otherwise I'd punch it.
That's true. That's true.
Oh.
We should be good. Thank you.
We have made it to the mining town of Morenci. We've just been chugging along. This first 3 hours of the drive is so incredibly boring, but...
No, I'm put it to 36. Okay. But I need a...
Hey, baby.
What's up? They were at 39.
Hold on. Make sure you get this on camera.
Dude.
Oh, dude! He might have know what I'm talking about.
Delicious.
What part of it?
Oh man. This is a vibe, dude.
Yeah, there's a lot of us this trip.
Oh, there's not even a spot you can go up.
I'm so geeked. We went to the mine.
That was so cool
We
seeing
were
like
driving
the...
up to it, and I was just like, I'm pretty sure this looks familiar.
Yeah. Did you see like the big old fucking machine just like throwing rocks? That was so cool, dude. I was like,
Driving under that?
Yeah.
Think about it. All these mountains all the way back to this hill isn't
I mean, more and more these days, aren't they automating these?
Yeah, that's what Taylor was just saying. That's
trucks?
what they're working on.
This is fucking sick. Actually, it's not that bad right now.
No, the wind
with the
is
breeze.
great. The sun is just warm when we're sitting by there.
Instead of making this like an automated, they should make it like a remote control. So at least it was working, you know?
Yeah, that's a big one. It's a Bridgestone. That's pretty cool.
Could you imagine needing 60 gallons of oil for your engine?
That's what. Oh, is that what that takes?
Yeah.
Dang. 150 gallons of coolant.
The engine weighs 16,500 pounds.
So that's what. Oh, dang.
Not the truck.
This is where the operator sits.
Yeah.
So, for reference.
Turbo. This thing is absolutely massive. Snack time.
That's fine. Here.
Tire plug.
Oh yeah. Roadside repair.
There's
always
one?
something.
Just the one spot?
Yeah.
I'll make it 2.
Yeah, all the rest of the tires were fine, but yeah, it just got a little puncture there.
I blame Chase.
Yeah.
I was throwing rocks right at him, dude. I saw a couple spikes.
Why would you do that?
Just chucked them right at him, dude.
Yeah. I haven't slept yet.
Yet? Why not?
Since like 7 in the morning.
Why are you doing that?
It's like my thing, I don't know.
You have insomnia? What's going on?
I think it's like an average college student life.
Recording this right?
I'm always recording. Alright, so been a little lackluster on the B-roll content today. It has been a long drive. We just had some lunch at a little barbecue spot up in like this little Springerville town is where we are. then we just went and got some drinks and stuff. Chase just got pulled over, so we're all to the we're almost to the cabins, Airbnbs, whatever they are that we're staying in. So yeah, we'll catch up with Chase once he gets back to the cabin. He was just being a little goofball, but it is so beautiful out here. We're just having a good time. I wasn't really knowing what to film in terms of, you know, I'm basically just driving all day. There's not a ton to see, but we're just having fun.
You're lying now.
No, they love my car. What do you want me to tell you?
What'd you do?
I did a little bit of a speed, but they were super chill. I just got a civil. No big deal.
No ticket?
No, I got a civil. Just a civil speeding. Just a civil.
How
You
much?
know. I don't know, probably 200 or 300, whatever they normally are.
Driving class.
Yeah. Yeah.
He's good.
Yeah, no, it's not a big deal at all.
You got off easy.
They both were literally like, bro, this car's sick as fuck.
We don't see shit around here like that.
Yeah. Like, what do you do? Do you race it? I'm like, let me tell you a story.
If you let me go, I'll show you.
No. Then he asked me how fast I've gotten. I'm like, that's a trick question. This is a race car. I don't go very fast.
Well, not exactly riverside like the website said. Thought these were gonna be more cabin, not apartment style, living next to each other. But whatever, we'll still have fun, make the best of it. Probably gonna end up really pissing off the neighbors because there's a lot of us in a lot of these cars, and then looks like a very, very peaceful area. And with like 14 of us, it's not gonna be very quiet. So is what it is. Let's have some fun. Hello. It's really strong glue.
No, it's from I have a cooler.
Oh, thank you, sir. Hell yeah, brother.
His ID. Figure out where it's safe to step. Oh! There we go. There's little rocks to step on there.
Rocks? Yeah, follow my lead, you. Yes, sir. Just so I can eat shit, imagine.
We're good. Am I supposed to step on a rock?
Yeah, step on the rocks, yeah.
Otherwise, it's all wet.
Whoa.
Oh, you got the chair?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I should have no grip. Yeah. No, that's
There it is, boys, Mexico.
Did you catch anything yet?
Oh.
I don't think there's any fishes swimming in this, brother.
That could be.
I was gonna cross. What? You're filming me?
Is it cold?
No, it's not too bad, honestly.
Piggy dipping. Piggy dipping in the piggy pond.
Yo, catch her eating shit in 4K.
It's only 1080.
Damn.
Mafia Bueno. Get that zoom out of here. Are we crossing?
You would have caught some crawfish.
I made it to Mexico.
Me in Mexico. I got my waterproofs on. I don't give a fuck.
These are my only pants.
Beavers.
Yeah, the beavers be damming. Buckies!
Piggy dipping in the piggy pond.
I only weigh 200 pounds, so. Dude, these dams, these fucking beavers be building.
You good?
What up?
Dude, that was way too much.
I didn't catch that.
You missed it?
Redo it.
I can't do it again.
Wait, what did you do?
Dude, the sun is in my fucking...
We can't say what he's actually doing on camera.
Oh my god. You gotta do it one more time, bro.
Again? Take another shot.
From the boys.
Delicious. All right, Chris.
Oh my god.
I can't go
Oh
that.
my god.
Take the lid for me.
Flip that shit around.
I'm trying, all right?
Flip it.
Oh, am I supposed to do what you did?
Absolutely.
Oh my. Oh my god. Bro, the gag reflex. The gag reflex.
Oh, that burns my nostril.
Oh my god.
I'm not as good as you at that as you.
What the fuck? Yeah, just a sip.
He's so.
Damn, your
he's got
succulent lips.
So much etiquette.
I know.
So nice.
It's very
It's
pleasant.
liquor?
Yeah, take a shot.
It's dude, I'm terrible with liquor.
It's wine.
It's fine.
basically
You're-
wine.
You're fine.
Drink it.
I don't know if this is actually like technically safe for YouTube, but like,
It's not bad. This is juice.
Oh, actually.
Yeah, it's pretty much-
what?
you know, we're all adults here. It's okay. You
It's
guys
juice.
probably are.
This is juice.
It's just juice.
It's strawberry.
And not the bad
strawberry-
kind.
She wants to play with your mic. No! Damn.
She escaped. Well, we survived the night. We called it a relatively early night, just trying to be respectful of the people out here. But it's just beautiful. Went on a little nature hike in the middle of the dark till about 10 o'clock, and then we wrapped it in for the night. Now we're about to go get some breakfast with everybody, and wrap it up. Just gonna sit in the sunlight like a cat.
Was it the Grand Canyon or something like
Yeah,
that?
I was at the Grand Canyon Airport.
Yeah.
It was like 5 hours north.
Yeah.
Well, yeah,
You like chai tea? You like chai? You want to try some?
I suppose.
It's yummy.
What's chai? Isn't chai tea
Chai,
just
chai is just tea, so it's just spiced tea.
It's tea.
Yeah, milk, cream.
That is really
It's
good.
really good.
Yeah, I don't want some, bro.
Got the Belgian waffle.
With the blue waffle.
Inappropriate. Breakfast was amazing. This little place, 10 out of 10. Super good, super nice people. We're just waiting for everybody else to finish up. But we found some swings, so we're just hanging out. Not my normal style of videos, you guys can tell, but we're here for a good time before he goes back to Japan. So, I figure content's content, and just take a light video, take a light load. Oh, it doesn't always have to be car related.
Do some cool stuff, baby.
Nice. So now that it's gonna be, it's already warm again. That's like perfect.
I'm waking now.
Do what?
I've been speeding the fish nuts. Look at all of them over there. Look. They're tearing that shit up. Oh shit. New feet have arrived.
Yeah, boy.
I gotta collect.
Collect your dues.
Give me like 20%.
Oh, that's a good. Oh, dude, I'm gonna make so much money off that. Look at that shit.
All right, guys, it was an extremely fun trip. The whole point of the trip was for our friend, his name is Yu. He's moving back to Japan. I mentioned that before. We just met him doing the car meet stuff, the S2000. I met him at the S2000 meet at the start of the year. Efren and the other guys, some of them had met him quite a bit earlier. I think just in passing, driving around, mistook it for Efren, so we call him JDM Efren because their cars are obviously very, very similar. When they first met, they were basically identical twins, so it was a lot of fun. Point of the video, point of all of this, like obviously I just wanted to go out and enjoy it, but the point of making the video is to document it, share it, and encourage you guys. Yes, we're all getting older. I mean, I'm 30 now, but the biggest thing I've learned the last couple of years, especially as getting older, is make time for things you enjoy, make time for people you enjoy being around. everybody's got busy lives nowadays, but take time to spend with your friends, because burnout's no good for nobody. Obviously, I'm at the shop 24/7. If I'm not at the shop, I'm usually trying to do drift stuff, and like as fun as all that stuff is, it gets, you know, it's easy to get burned out doing the same stuff no matter how fun it is. So it is nice being able to basically go off an adventure with your friends like that, disassociate from reality, go explore the forest and the trees and have some fun in the water and hang out. But also behind me, check out my new sim rig. I bought this probably about a month ago. I finally caved in and spent the money on one, because to me committing to the purchase of one was a really hard thing to do, because that much money, you know, in a toy, a training tool, versus that much money on actual track time. Now granted, the actual track time would be, you know, this can get me thousands and thousands of laps. That would cost thousands and thousands of dollars in real life. So I don't know what my PC specs are. I'm not a computer nerd. No offense to anybody, but I'm just not techie like that. But yeah, we've got a full Fanatec system. Came with the triple monitor display. This is one of my other NRG seats. It came with like a bride rep, I think. Maybe it was real, I don't know. But it came with this nice aluminum frame and all that stuff. So yeah, learning how to use Discord and all that stuff, but I've been playing Assetto and stuff, just practicing, because it is actually really fun compared to the cheap setups that I've had in the past, like Logitech and Thrustmaster. This thing is amazing. But I'm gonna wrap this video up. If you guys are new to the channel and you know you like the video, you made it to the end here, let me know in the comments down below. You know, we've got these new shirts. Boom, new logo. Shout out to my fiance for helping design it. I don't know, whatever. Logo on the back too. But yeah, they are available for purchase. We will be at the Monoculture Metro Mayhem event this weekend. I'm about to buy my ticket right now, actually. And yeah, let's go have some fun. Come catch a lap, come buy a shirt. And if you want the shirt to just purchase, I will have them up on the website here shortly. So thanks for spending some time out of your day here with me. Do what you love, forget about the rest. Go have fun with your friends. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.